Oh my god. Zebra and monster about to fight. When I was a young boy. Side of honor. Are we in Pandora? There you are.
What's going on, Bruisers? Marty Mouse here, and here is Dizzy Mouse. Woohoo! We have all been sick lately, so if our voices sound kind of funny, you know why? Look, oh, she wants to say hi, so she says hi. There's Twerple. I'm not ready. She wasn't ready. Yeah, that lady is walking like, I don't know if I can show you guys.
Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh,
like a bazillion dogs. It's not right to record people you don't know, but we do it anyways. What's up, little baby? Are you ready to rock and roll? Dallas Zoo, I missed that.
there it is. There's that guy.
That is a giraffe. There's a fan. Yay. It's popping at the zoo. Acting kinda shady and calling me Dizzy. What's up, Dizzy? Where are we going? Is it your first time to the zoo, my love? Is it your first time to the zoo? We're at the Dallas Zoo, huh? Woohoo! We're going to the zoo. We're going to the zoo. Hi, hold the stereo. We're going to the zoo. Going to the zoo. Babe, I wonder where the Dallas Zoo main entrance is. Do you have any idea?
They should have a sign or something.
I know, for sure.
There might be bees, or are those flies?
No bees. Ah, my greatest fear. Bees. Keep off bridge. Don't get on bridge. It's a pretty cool little bridge they made. I hadn't seen this. Who wore it better? Those are pretty. Seeing the wildlife already over here. Welcome to the Dallas Zoo. Zoo. Yeah. Hey babe, welcome to the Dallas Zoo. Cool hat, Dizzy Mouse. You are the coolest baby I know.
I don't like this.
She's like, I don't like anything that gets on my face and that I can't eat.
Remove now, please.
I'm gonna eat this hat real quick. Look at these little chins. My feet for sure. You're gonna have a lot of problems with your body when you get older. Woo! That is righteous.
Also know they're quite good on Instagram.
What's up, cool guys? Hey babe, tell us the story of what just happened.
No.
Please.
It's so embarrassing.
Please.
I went into the men's bathroom, and it wouldn't be so bad if literally the last time I was here, I did the same exact thing. Walked in, and I saw a baby changing table, and I'm like, okay, I'm in the right place. And then I only see urinals. Thank God no one was in.
Men change babies too.
I know, but
Tell me that is not the cutest face you've ever seen in your entire life. I found my dad. What is this thing? Whoa! Now that is a big mouth. She loves that thing. She don't even care about the zoo. Cool. Yeah, babe, all your brothers and sisters are over there. The flamingos. Flamingos. Whoa. She has no idea what's going on right now. And I want to grab a beer. Let's see, what am I going to get? Oh, I see El Chingon. Those are my choices. I'm probably getting El Chingon. I've talked about Four Corners, and that's what they got here. Four Corners Brewery. Thank you. There you are. Now you are. What? And the reaction is, Mommy, no. Craft beer garden, they got one of those? What? Now this right here is my kind of party. But it's only seasonal. So, just want to come see what they have. They also have a little beer festival sometimes of the year. Beautiful mural. Are you having fun even though you don't even care about the animals that much, huh, Dizzy? She's like, I'm just gonna put my feet up. She learned that from me. But, you got local buzz. Can I tap some? Dark side. I stick with my IPA, El Chingon. Which, if you guys don't know what Chingon means, that means like the big mother effer. It's an IPA, and it is amazing. Why do I look like I have eyeshadow on right now? Oh yeah, I put on some eyeshadow today. Ah, big Jesus! Oh my gosh, that was frightening. All right, so let's talk a little bit about one of my fears, and it's actually my only fear besides being left alone. Ah, it's back.
Is it?
Yeah, he went back up. Bees and wasps and any kind of like flying creature that can sting you, yeah, terrifies me. Okay, so you see how frightening. And I know they won't really bother you, but especially with my daughter here, I don't want anyone to get stung. And this little girl is eating it. She won't even share with me. Whenever I bite it, she looks at me, mean mugging. She's like, Dad, you are being a piglet right now. All right, so second drink. I got us a little bit of a Angry Orchard. My biggest fear, holy moly, that thing is scary. My goodness, so beautiful. What do you think, Dizzy Mouse?
Is that bigger than your cat? Or around the same? Wow, look.
Probably wants to eat Dizzy. Whoa. Cool.
A little hot. Let's see. Probably really hot. Yeah, I believe it. So much for that.
Not worth it. Not worth it. It burned.
Burned your butt.
How beautiful are these guys? Hey, bud. Looking at me? Whoa, look how slow he moves. Uh-oh, here he comes. All right, we'll just eat your giraffe. A giant anteater. Something you won't see in everyday life. A reticulated python. She's probably gonna fall asleep in here.
Yeah.
Western bush viper. That's scary. Hey, Papa. You are so cute. Look at you running away. I got little ants. I wonder where this little horned lizard is. He's hiding. That's interesting. You guys are gonna get eaten. And that is no joke. Look at those claws. Ah! Dun, 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 dun. We're about to go into Ghosts of the Bayou. Enter here. Beware. Gators. Is that an albino? Wow, that's beautiful. Swim at your own risk? No, thank you. This sure is gator country. Watch for snakes. Here's somebody you wouldn't want to meet in a dark alley. The eastern green mamba. The reason why he's so gorgeous is because he needs to warn people that, hey, I'm highly venomous. And also, I'm highly cute. Why do cobras want to hide? Why are you playing though, cobras? Hey, Dizzy.
Look, this is an interesting chart, like where compared to a giraffe. Well, the king cobra compared to a giraffe.
Wow, look at that king cobra. That thing is huge. I never knew it was that big. Did you know that the king cobra was that big? Did you know that the king cobra was that big? I don't think so.
This guy's the real MVP.
Yeah, I wouldn't hang out with them. You're brave. Hey, baby. Hey, love. Are you having fun at the zoo? I'll take that excitement as a yes. Hey, Dizzy Mouse. Hi, beautiful lady. It's a velociraptor? Wow, that's pretty cool, huh? I don't know where we're going. No. What?
I feel like they're doing something right now.
Yeah, because you can hear him, but you can't see him. Hear him? Look, there's one right here. Beautiful.
Tiger. Over there, look.
Beautiful.
Jason. I didn't.
Now, I like the way they made this building.
Ooh. Ooh. My lips are itchy.
Cranes, but they're chasing each other. Whoa! Whoa! That's cute. Oh, you know, we're just playing. We're just little birds. We're just cranes, that's all. Hanging out, being homies. Hold on, babe. Hold on. I'm zooming in. Woo! Spider monkeys! Spider monkey, spider monkey. Wow. I want to do that. Imagine, wouldn't that be so cool? Oh, look, say hi, say hi. Say hi to the white-cheeked gibbon. Are they talking about his face or his butt? This guy's swinging. Woo! Nice moves, bro. I'm wise as I sit here upon my log. It's nothing fancy, but it is
It'll do.
what it is. And we got another local bus. Show me that this is not cute. Look at all these little kids riding a rhino. Say La Certe Family Children's Zoo. And I was just telling Squirple that this sign looks exactly the way that they've had these signs probably since I was a kid. I haven't been here since I was a kid, so. The dreaded no alcohol is permitted beyond this point. I'm not sure what's going on here. We're not rule breakers here. No sleeping allowed during fun time. Now this is a geode. Just get lost in that. I had to do this because it's gonna be fun. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow. That was Roger! Cool monkey. I want this monkey mask. That's what I want. Why don't they have that for adults? Zoo Wars at the Dallas Zoo. That's cute, huh? Oh, there's a turtle over there too. Lemurs! The Philippine crocodile. Cutie! We're actually going underneath a highway right now. Aw, what a cutie. This frog is so cute. Are we in Pandora? Nope, we're not. You like the penguins, babe? They're so cute. Look, I'm taller than these guys. Haha. You're taller than me, babe. Cool, huh? Oh, Alex is gonna eat. He's grooming himself. Give me those fleas. Nice butt, baboon. Yeah, you heard me. I said nice butt. Wilds of Africa. Adventure Safari. Woohoo! We're about to get on the monorail. What's up? Oh, we're about to get on the monorail. It's not a Disney monorail though, it's at the zoo, at the Dallas Zoo. Her first time at the zoo and she is worn out. We're halfway through the day.
Go to car 7.
Car 7, lucky number 7. 5, 6, and 7. Hurry. Hey, look at the wing. Hey everybody. Hi there everyone. What's going on? This is Dizzy Mouse's very first zoo trip and she is tired. She's having a blast though. Yes. And so are we. It's a lot of fun and we're gonna get on this monorail here. think?
I know, with Lucy, with sports.
Well, nothing's going on. Cowboys won yesterday. Alright, well, this is weird. Oh, well, I thought they were going to be heavier. Ah. Somebody fell in love with Dippin' Dots. Hear her? Stinky feet. Cutie face. We know who that is. In love with Dippin' Dots now. Look at that. All over her mouth. When I was a young warthog. Pumbaa. I like big butts and I cannot lie. It's pronounced zebra, as our friend Trevor Noah told us. Oh, whoa, what is that? An ostrich? What the? Zebra and ostrich about to fight. They're about to fight. Look at them, babe. You see them? They're about to get crunk. The ostrich is about to get crunk. Giraffe feeding.
You want to go see
You go first, babe. Oh, look at his tongue. Look at his tongue. Cutie. Dang, he swallowed that up.
One at a time. Hold on.
Ooh, he's smart. Ooh. Come on, Papa. Come on. Oh, thank you. You want to touch? You want to touch? Yeah, ready. Oh, okay, baby. Okay.
No, you can.
Oh, baby, don't be scared, love. It's just a little giraffe. He's not gonna hurt you. Look, baby. He won't hurt you. He's like a giant Charlie. Aww. Look, he's like, where's more lettuce? Oh, I got the... This is the guy that's getting fed over there. He's having a ball. That was a really cool experience. And he's just like, you don't got food? All right, I'm out of here. You got food? All right, we're friends. Can I ask you something? Are you cheating on me?
Oh my God.
Cheetah! The king of the jungle. He's just over there chilling. He didn't even want to come talk to us. Come back! No! Don't leave us! We want to be your friend, little penguin. Penguin! Yep, he wants to be our friend. I asked him to come back and he sure did. What, baby? You see the penguin? You see the penguin, love? He's cool. He's our friend. She's like, I don't know. Ooh, that was, baby, he just jumped across this and it was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. All right, let's go. He's out of here. Bye, bud. See you later. And he's gone. She's like, get me away from this giant creature. Get me away from this giant beast, she said. Uh-oh. She's been eating all kinds of sweets today. My turn. I have a great fear of bees. I'm going in without you. Thank you. Hey, good. Thank you. Hey, beautiful birdie. You are so beautiful.
Green. She is a green chiffonier.
Whoa.
Yeah, you've got the food. They're gonna come say hi.
What is going on? Oh my gosh. It's on Lucy's head and she's freaking out. You got two on your head.
No, it hurts.
They hurt?
A little bit. All right, well, if you need me to get one, just let me know. Yeah.
What?
I'm gonna move this one though. Make sure she doesn't reach her.
What's happening? Look at this guy.
Here you go, honey.
Oh yeah,
Oh, baby.
they can spot those seeds.
Okay.
What's happening, everybody? I don't want to get attacked. Well, there you go.
It is lots of fun. Two of my favorite concept buildings.
They're cool. Get me, guys. Are you ready to rock and roll? Cockatoodle too.
This is high.
What beautiful. You like the birds? Oh.
But yet they call that other seed strips. I'm like, that's got the most seeds on it.
I don't know how I
That
feel
was so
about
funny.
that.
I came in and then I'm like, what's in my
These two
head?
especially are super good at finding the seed sticks. So as soon as you walk in, they're like, I know you got it. You got it. Yeah. They're like,
Really?
Yeah.
Did you like that, Dizzy Mouse? You like that? That was fun, right? She's still freaking it. She's like, I had enough birds for one day. Thank you.
All
Hey
right,
guys,
well,
it's gorgeous.
Let's see if you can get a bird. You want to
Beautiful. These doves are gorgeous. Hi. Say hi, Goaty.
Hi.
Did you know Daddy's had 4 pet goats? Just like Charlie loves to get scratched. You don't want to pet any animals?
No.
All these little pellets are their poops. You don't care about this, baby? You want to go? We can wash our hands and go. Dizzy and Muerte hanging out in best buds. Hey guys. We'll put her in the thing. What did you think of the Dallas Zoo? I know you've been here before, but did you have fun with your family today?
It was fun. It was the first time I got to see the giraffes. That was fun. The birds on my head. That was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
It hurt a little bit. They went on Lucy's head.
What did you think? Paparazzi. 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 What did you think of this? Let us know. Did you have fun? What are you doing? It was a lot of fun. It was really cool.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Those birds basically attacked us, but we liked it. It was like a fun kind of attack.
It's like an Alfred Hitchcock movie.
Which one is it? Psycho?
The birds.
Oh, no, I was thinking Psycho. No, I'm just kidding. All right, Dallas Zoo. We'll see you later, or we'll see you at another time. Bye-bye, Zoo. Did you have fun today? I had so much fun with you, my loves. I had a blast. You and Mommy are my best friends, and I love you with all my heart. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. We had a blast with all of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you later, or we'll see Zoo at another time.